What is up, guys? I hope everyone's having a fantastic day. We made it home. As you can see, we got the FRS behind me. Today's project is going to be working on the FRS headlights. Let me show you exactly what we're doing. So if you see these Specty headlights, right, a lot of FRSs run them. They have this nice looking Boomerang LED strip in there. We're going to be swapping that Boomerang strip out, or the LED strip out, for these LitLightz LED strips. These are color changing. They are also the sequential blinker. There's a lot of cool stuff going on with these. I'm gonna have to pull these headlights off the car. If you guys want to see a full detailed instructional video on installing these Specties, I'll throw it right up in the top right hand corner. Go check that video out. We're gonna have to take the lens off the headlights, obviously, to get to the LED strip we are replacing. As always, these new LED lights are gonna be linked down in the description box below. And if you guys have an FRS and you're wanting these lights on your car, you're gonna need the Specty headlights as well. If you guys don't have those, I'll throw those down there as well. Make it super nice and easy. Just have everything in one place so you can go buy it all. Get some sick ass looking lights on your FRS. Let's get these lights ripped off the car and pull them apart. I'll show you exactly step by step on how to do this. All right, that's a good start. We got the headlights off the car. Next step is to remove everything off the back of the headlight, and one by one, I'm actually gonna be putting them in that oven right there. The reason for that is it's gonna loosen up the glue or the sealant holding the lens onto the housing. We'll be able to pull the lens off that housing then. Before I remove anything off the headlights, I'm going to preheat the oven, go 250 degrees. So the things you need to remove is, if you're running HIDs, you're going to have to remove the ballast. If you guys haven't seen that video, the HID install video, I'll throw it up in the top right hand corner. So remove the ballast and anything else on the backside. So I'm going to remove that. Of course, you want to remove the bulb, and then there's a few screws. I believe there are 7 or 8 screws, these little ones here, that we need to pull off. This headlight is now ready to go in the oven. I'm going to throw it in there for about 10 minutes at 250 degrees. I'm going to check on it every few minutes just to make sure nothing bad is happening. When you put it in, you don't want any of the wiring hanging down, or else that could catch the whole headlight on fire. That has definitely happened to me before, unfortunately. Time to see what all is included inside this box. All right, so right when you open it up, we get a little instruction sheet. We got a Bluetooth controller. Now, the most important thing is all this wiring right here. Under here we have the LED boards themselves. So as you can see, there are 2 LED boards in there and then some wiring. I gotta figure out how all of this goes because that looks kind of confusing at the moment. The headlight has been in for about 10 minutes now. I'm gonna pull it out, see if it's warm enough to split apart. So this piece here is the piece we're gonna be replacing. There is 3 screws on it, and that LED board should pop right off there. Now there are 2 wires on that factory LED strip that don't disconnect. I'm hoping that I can just cut those off. We do have to run this wire from the new LED strip out of the back of the headlight. So I'm just gonna cut a little slot right in there and run that wire through that hole. It should look a little something like that when you're all said and done. This headlight is ready to go back together. This wire that we disconnected earlier, we're gonna connect back in here. That is for the blinker. Technically, right now we're gonna have 2 blinkers, which I'm not sure if I'm gonna like. One is gonna be the sequential on the LED Boomerang, the one we just put in. Another one's gonna be that factory one right there. I might disable the factory one eventually. Not exactly sure what I'm gonna do there. Before I put the headlight back in the oven and get all the screws back in, I just kind of set it together like that. What I'm gonna do is get all the wiring on the car and see exactly how everything works. Make sure that LED Boomerang works as it should before I reseal everything and get it screwed back together. So basically what we're looking at here, we have a little voltage regulator. We have a positive and a negative that go to the battery. A few wires down here, one says DRL and then 2 to say turn signal. One of these wires here connects to that LED. The other one connects to the passenger side or the driver side LED. As soon as I plugged in the headlight, that red bar came on, and that looks so freaking sick, guys. That looks so amazing. So now that we know the LED strip works, I'm going to wire up the blinker and the running light. So basically when you turn on the running light, it's going to be pure white. When you turn on the blinker, that LED strip is going to be a sequential blinker. And then when you turn all that off, you have the option to have the color changing LEDs. Got this box and you see all the white and yellow wires coming out. Basically, you just need to connect one of the yellow wires to the yellow wire on the Spectre headlight, white wire to the white wire on the Spectre headlights, and then one of the other yellow wires that we're not using is going to run to the opposite side headlight. So as I'm building these lights, I'm asking you guys a bunch of questions on my Instagram, doing polls on what you guys think I should do. The first one was whether to have both blinkers going on at once or just the sequential. We decided it's going to be just the sequential. Second thing was whether or not to keep the factory blinker chrome or just black it out completely since we're not going to be using it. The decision there was to black it out completely, so I'm going to be pulling that headlight back apart. Thankfully, it's going to be really easy because I never baked it or screwed it back together. So I'm going to take it off the car, pull it all back apart, and then see what we can do about blacking out that factory blinker. Okay, so we got that all pulled apart. I took out this little clear LED protector thing. I don't know exactly what you'd call that. This whole thing is going to go black, including that chrome ring right there and everything in there. I'm still debating on whether I want to pull out all the LED bulbs. And if I do, then there's just a bunch of holes. I feel like if I paint everything black with the bulbs, it'll look much cleaner. But I guess I can pull off all that wiring, paint the whole thing black, and put it all back together. No going back now. Yo, that is so dark. That's so black. It's gonna look so damn good on this car. I've always wanted that blinker all blacked out, and now I have it. So I'm super pumped on that. I'm gonna go ahead and just reassemble this headlight, get it back together. Everything I just did was completely optional. You guys don't have to do that, or you can if you want it all black like myself. I always think all black headlights look absolutely amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead, throw this headlight back together, and we can move on with the build. So I got the headlight all reassembled. I'm gonna throw it back in the oven, get all that glue heated up. Just throw it back in there for about 10 minutes at 200 to 250 degrees. Push the headlight together, get all the screws in, and the headlight is done. After that, we just have a few little wiring things, and then we can put it on the car and see how absolutely sick these headlights are. One more thing, guys, stay tuned to the end of the video if you want to get a set of these for free, all right? Ooh, headlight is done. Look how black it is. That looks so much better in my opinion. No chrome whatsoever in there. It's gonna look so sick on the car. I cannot wait to get it on. Anyways, we have a few little wiring things to do. So I'm gonna flip that upside down. Let's see, what do we have? We have this wire here from the LED strip that we installed. And then we have some wiring here. That was for the factory blinker or whatever. I cut all that stuff off. So as far as the wiring goes, there are 3 wires that come out of this harness, right? There's 2 yellow and the 1 white. So one of the yellow wires and the white wire is gonna connect to the passenger side headlight. And then the other yellow wire is going to run over to the driver's side headlight and connect to that turn signal over there. And I really like how they did this, guys. So yellow goes to yellow on the headlight, white on here goes to white on the headlight. Can't get much easier than that. And then as far as all this other wiring, it's pretty self-explanatory. There's only a few plugins that work with other plugins. I screwed that regulator to my little inner fender thing, and then that's like the blinker relay that connects right to the regulator. It's all explained in that wiring diagram. This wire right here is going to plug into that LED strip, and then we have another one of those wires that plugs into this extender harness that's going to run to this side. It's really easy to do, guys. Like, honestly, they made this so simple. All plug and play. So once again, as soon as I plugged it in, that reddish orangish LED came on. I'm going to turn the blinker on, see how it looks. Oh yes, oh yes. That is freaking incredible. Oh my gosh. That literally just changed the whole look of the front end. Exotic 101. That's baller as fuck. I'm gonna go ahead, bang out the driver's side. Same exact process. If I show you how to do that side as well, this video would probably be like 3 hours long. So I'm gonna go ahead, bang it out. By the time I get it done, it should be getting pretty dark outside. So I'll pull the car out of the shop and show you how absolutely incredible these headlights are looking. Overall, I am very pleased with these headlights. So if you open up the app, which is, if you guys didn't catch this earlier, it is the LED Hue app. You go in there, select the SP110E, and there's so many different modes already built in on here. You have a bunch of different colors, so that's like orange, kind of matching the car. Obviously that's red, green, blue, yellow, purple, teal, and then you can go on here and make any color you want. And then there's a bunch of different modes as well. Like, I believe they consider these show modes. That is absolutely insane. Here's another one. You can change the speed of them. You can kind of blend it in like that, change color. Literally the options are endless on here. And then if you come inside, say you're at a show, right? Like that, you got your show mode on. Obviously that's not legal to drive around. You come in here, and when you take off, you turn on your lights. They will automatically switch to your running lights, which are pure white LED. They look so much better than the Spec D ones. The Spec D ones are kind of bluish. Those are pure white. I don't know if the camera catches that all that well, but those look absolutely amazing. And then let's turn on the blinkers. Just throw on the hazards. Sequential hazards look just unreal. Absolutely unreal. I'm really pumped I blacked everything else out. You guys don't have to do that. That's that, guys. Anything else? What else? I think that about covers it for all the functions of these lights. And I can't believe how cheap they are. So here's how they look, say you're driving at night with your headlights on. LED bar with the headlight themselves. Yep, much needed for this FRS. If you guys have these Spec D headlights, do yourself a favor, pick up these Boomerangs. Alright guys, if you made it to the end of this video, I have a very pleasant surprise. Myself and the company that built these lights, the LED strips, have teamed up. We're going to be giving away a set of these lights. If you guys want to win, you have to do 3 things. Number 1, 3 very simple things. It won't cost you any money. Number 1, be subscribed to my YouTube channel. So if you're watching this video, go down below, hit that subscribe button. Simple as that. I'm sure 99% of you are already subscribed, so no big deal there. Number 2, go on Instagram, follow at LitLightz. So I'll have it on the screen. Go follow them. Number 3, as soon as this video goes live, they're going to be posting a photo or video, whatever, on their Instagram feed. Go on that video, like it, and then go in the comment section on that Instagram post on LitLightz Instagram and comment done. That's all you have to do. Those 3 things, or 4 things, I guess. So once again, number 1, be subscribed to my YouTube channel. 2, go on LitLightz, follow them. 3, go on the post they just posted of my car, like the post, and go in the comments on that post and comment done. That's all you have to do. So when you're watching this video, it's gonna be Friday at noon Pacific Standard Time. That's when I'm making this video live. We are gonna run the giveaway until Monday at 12 o'clock. So what is that, like 72 hours? You have 72 hours. We're gonna be picking the winner with a random number generator. So it's totally unbiased. You know, I don't have control over it. They don't have control over it. Whoever wins is going to be getting a set of these LED lights for free, shipped to your house. Now, if you want to pick up a set of these LED Boomerangs with the color chasing, all that crazy stuff I just showed you guys, I'll have them linked down below. They go for $250 on LitLightz.com. All those linked down below. And then if you guys need a set of these FRS Spec D headlights, I will have those linked down below as well. So go pick up both of those. I just showed you step by step on how to install these new Boomerangs, and guys, seriously, it changes everything with the car. It changes the whole front end. I know a lot of guys also run the Volantes with the sequential blinkers. The Spec D headlights don't really match that, and then as soon as you get these new sequential blinkers and these headlights, they match the taillights absolutely perfect. I might as well I'll throw Volantes down below as well. I'll hook you guys up with everything you need to make your car absolutely insane. So yeah, that's about it. Like I said, giveaway is going to start right now at 12 o'clock on Friday Pacific Standard Time. We're running it till Monday, so I believe that's 72 hours. I might be wrong. I don't really know. It doesn't matter. Cutoff time is Monday at 12 o'clock though. You guys have to be doing everything I said. If we pick the winner and you're not subscribed to the channel, or if you're not following LitLightz and have commented and liked that post, unfortunately, we're gonna have to pick another winner. So it's super simple to do. It's free. Go ahead, do that, and you can win these $250 lights for free, guys, for free. That is going to be the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions whatsoever on how to install these Boomerangs into your Spec D headlights, let me know in the comment section below and I will help you guys out. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.